So this is Solaz Luxury Collection. This is a Marriott property. This is 5-star luxury. And yes, I am an all-inclusive girl, but this property is not all-inclusive. In fact, their menu items can be a bit pricey, but it is well worth it because, again, this is indeed a luxury resort. So there is a mini fridge. Anything you take out of the mini fridge will be charged to you. It is not included. There's a sitting area with a stool and a mirror. It's another drawer with a blow dryer. A large sink, not a double sink, but a large sink. Scale towels, lighted mirror. You do get water and coffee and tea included. They can replenish as needed. Then this is the bathroom area. Separate doors. This is the water closet. You know what that looks like, so I don't have to explain it. Then you have this area of closet space that includes 2 luggage racks. One is already out in the room. A safe that is long enough for a laptop, just in case anyone cares to know that. I know that is important for me. And drawers. They do have an iron board. Robes. There's 2 robes. They sit one out, keep one in. And then there is a mirror. A mirror. Okay. Push pull. Then you have the luxurious shower area. That's a speaker up there. Not a rainfall shower, but semi-rainfall in a handheld for the girlies that need to know. Another robe. More water, lighting, telephone. King size bed. Bench area to sit. Chair. They do have a television. The menus to the restaurants are on the television. Store area and a little table. Electronic curtains. You push a button and they slide open. But this one you have to slide open yourself. And then you get this. Isn't that beautiful? Let's go out. So you have a nice lounge chair. And again, these are one of those doors that if you leave open, the air will cut off. Lounge chair and table. Hammock. Another table. And a nice lounge bed. I love that. You can move the hammock out the way if you need. Take off one of the ropes and move it out the way. So this property sits on a sort of like a cliff. So this is ground floor kind of, but then there's a lower level that has some villas or rooms that I saw as well. Stay tuned for that. This property also has their private member rooms over to the left. And then residences. These might be the residences right there. Water there, water there. So it is a beautiful property. It is 5-star luxury. And that's not by TripAdvisor standard or Google review standard. They give stars. That is by industry standard. Luxury property. 5-star service. You get what you pay for. Things to note will be coming when I do the resort review. So, Solaz Luxury Collection in Cabo San Lucas. Or San Jose Del Cabo. There's a difference. So, another dope thing about this King Oasis Room is that you have space there, but you can also close this door from the bathroom area all the way over. There's more than one actually. And you can close it all. This one only goes here. Well, no, it goes all the way over. So you can close it all the way over. And the bedroom can be separate from the bathroom. That's cute. Oh, there you go. Let's get you booked.